Assalamu alaikum 10 class and welcome to your online English class. This is your lecture number 4 in which we are going to discuss unit number 2 along with its glossary. So let's start the class. Now let's have a look at the picture which is also given on page number 11 of your textbook and try to guess what the story is about. There you can see two men wearing special kind of gloves and costume. And can you guess what they are doing? Yes, they're boxers and they are competing against each other in boxing because there you can easily see they are wearing special kind of costume. So you can also see the title of the chapter is The Champions. Champions means Fatihin, Fateh. Now it's time to discuss main points of the chapter through which you can easily understand the whole story. This is story of Gulsher and Ahmad Ali who were classmates and friends and they were living in Liari, Karachi. Then there is a description of their physical features. For example, we are told that Gulsher had a fair complexion, he was tall and skinny person. Skinny means he was a very thin person. And on the other hand, Ahmad Ali who had a dark complexion and his height was short, but he was a strong person. Then we are told that they had a dream of becoming lightweight boxing champion. They had to fight from two different poles. Different poles mean different sides for national boxing championship. And the winner of that final fight would represent the country in World Lightweight Boxing Championship. And they had 2 weeks duration to prepare for the fight. They were restless during that preparation time because whenever they met, they were not feeling easy. They did not understand how to treat each other. Treat means कैसे वो आपस में सुलूक कैसे करें, मिले कैसे. Finally, the day of their fight came and during the fight, they competed hard. Competed hard means आपस में जम कर मुकाबला किया. No fighter was going to retreat at all. Retreat at all means जरा भी जो पीछे हटने वाला नहीं था. Until second round, their competition was equal. But in the third round, they fought like savages. Savages means वैश्यों की तरह. Like barbers. Even after the bell rang, the referee had to try to bring them back to their senses by pulling cold water on them. But everyone was surprised when they came to their senses. They suddenly hugged each other. They went off the ring. Went off means बाहर चले गए. Ring is that enclosed area where the boxers had to fight. They went off the ring without hearing the name of the winner. So here our story ends. Apart from the technical details of the boxing fight, this story seems to be very interesting. Finally, at the end of the story, we can say that this story reflects the victory of friendship over worldly titles. Reflects means अक्कासी करती है, उसको शो करती है, दिखाती है. Now let's have a look at the glossary. The first word is lanky. Lanky means tall, skinny person. Skinny means जो बहुत ज़्यादा दुबला पतला हो, thin person. Next is Shidi. Shidi means an ethnic group inhabiting Karachi. Ethnic means जो नस्ली हो, inhabiting जो रहने वाला हो. Shidi means हबशी, जो हबशी नस्ल का बंदा हो जो कराची में रह रहा हो. Next is Husky. Husky means big and strong person, जो शरीरी जिसामत का बंदा हो. Next is bragging. Excessively proud and boastful talk. We can also say शेही मारना, शेही बिगाड़ना, लंबी लंबी जो कोई किस चीज़ में छोड़ रहा हो. Next is gong. Gong means large flat circular metal that sounds like loud bell. घंटा या घड़ियाल भी इसको कहा जाता है. Next is rumbled. Rumbled means to make a deep resonant sound. Resonant means ringing sound, गूंजदार आवाज. So rumbled is also just like गड़गड़ाहट. Next is pounding. Pounding means strike or hit heavily and repeatedly. बार बार किसी चीज़ पे तसलसल के साथ कुछ चीज़ हिट करना. Beating, पीटना. Next is pride. Pride means use force to move, open or separate something. Pride is also called मदाखलत करना. Next is duct. Duct means lower the head or body quickly to avoid a blow. मतलब फुर्ती से झुक जाना किसी भी हमले को रोकने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रंटिंग. ग्रंटिंग मीन्स शॉर्ट डीप हॉर्स साउंड इन एक्सलेशन. हॉर्स मीन्स रफ एंड एक्सलेशंस गुस्से की झंझलाहट. सो यू कैन से दैट ग्रंटिंग जस्ट लाइक गुर्राना, गुस्से की हालत में गुर्राने के जैसी की कोई आवाज. नेक्स्ट इज बैरेज. बैरेज मीन्स लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ब्लोज डिलीवर्ड रैपिडली. मतलब तसलसल के साथ कुछ मौकों की भरमार या किसी चीज़ की भरमार करना, मारना किसी चीज़ को. I hope the glossary is now more clear to you because I told the meaning in Urdu. So you can easily keep the Urdu meaning in your mind, but you have to remember the glossary in English. Now let me give you some tasks at the end. For example, your task 1 is to consult dictionary for difficult words, whatever you will find in the text. Then you have to pick up the theme and main idea of the story, and you can do this by skimming and scanning of the text. Your task 3 is to prepare and write down summary on your notebooks, and you have to remember it. Then your last task is to read the text with translation. And I'm sure you can do it easily because I told you all the main points of the chapter. So this is the end of our class. Allah Hafiz.